Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back with a unpacking and first try, and yeah, I finally got them. I saw them on the news section, like new articles or products coming, and they didn't have them in Delft until today. And in fact, a friend of mine already bought them in another town and brought them as well today, which is Tuesday 24th. Yeah. Something like that. Sorry, I don't know. It's my day off. I don't know what day it is. Last year I reviewed these, and I thought they were a different brand. They're also plastic handle and 3 different foam pads. I didn't understand them, so I haven't used them. I thought I'll use the handles, but didn't need them yet. And it says Crafts and More, and the new one says Avec, but then here it says Avec BV. So, same company, a different name. It's okay, because this package has 9 blending tools, or foam pads, sorry, and 1 blending tool, and it's 99 cents. So that is like nothing compared to brand names. And I have a few. I have Brandless from the craft store. I have Nelly Snell and Tim Holtz as well, and these are a little bit less squishy as the more expensive ones, and of course they're new, so they need to be saturated with ink before they really start to blend well. But that's the same with the more expensive ones, and this is my first look and feel, and they work. I'm trying to push them into the ink pad and get the ink in there. But yeah, so far so good. They have a really good Velcro pad that's all over, not like the ones from last year that's only a small circle. And yeah, it's plastic, it's hollow, so it's lightweight, but they have to get the price from somewhere. And yeah, excuse my cheat, he's yeah, he's so cute. He was upstairs, we went walkies, and I brought him downstairs, and now this happens. I should have left him in his cradle, but it's okay. I love him. And yeah, the grip mat, there's also a hack, of course, that I've seen reviewed in other videos, and I love it. The blue, not so much, but the price, yay. I have to say I'm using Distress inks, carved pumpkin, mustard seed, and picked raspberry. It's one of my favorite combinations, and I like the fact that they're so cheap that if you want one of each color and you think they work well, then I'm gonna use this for a little bit and see how I saturate them. But you can buy 100 for, or 90, because there's 9 in the pack. It's even €9, and you can have one for each color. You have 9 handles. That might be a bit more problematic, but I mostly bought them for the foam pads because I have plenty of handles, and I used to use one per color family, so pink and yellow, orange, red, green, blue, and sometimes one for lighter shades, like spun sugar and tumble glass, and one for darkers. But yeah, this one didn't stick together very well because they're hollow. They need to click into each other, and the little hooky thing was on the outside, but I don't care. 99 cents. I have plenty of handles, and if you don't have the handles yet, I think these would be nice to just put a label on with the color as well. But I don't really have the room. That's why they're all in this basket, and they're not at all labeled anymore because I keep using them like they're not. And my wooden Tim Holtz handles here, I colored them with aqua ink to make them pretty. But yeah, I think they're okay, and 99 cents is fabulous. So thank you for watching. Bye.